Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing of OnePlus 80. I got this mobile only for 34,999 plus 1750 Amazon cashback plus 1500 instant cashback. So if you want to know more how did I get it, so just comment below, I'll let you know. So why I bought this phone? This has a very unique feature like 120Hz display, wrap charge 65, that charge only in 39 minutes. So this is massive a change compared to other competitor phone. So without further ado, let's get started unboxing of this 80. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. I'm giving away this brand new iPhone 11, which is a black 128 GB. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. So stay tuned. Thank you. 80 has some unique feature like it's has a 120Hz display and 6.5-inch fluid AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and always on display. So in the box it comes with a aquamarine green, and second color is Luna Silver. I got this aquamarine green. So in the box you will get a 65 watt fast charging 100% in 39 minutes as advertised. I already tested this one. This gives exact 39 minutes of 100% charge. So as you can see, it's two. Yeah, this is the case. This has a two-way USB charging. This is also a unique feature compared to other competitors. So out of the box it comes with Android 11, OxygenOS 11. So apart from that, it has Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, which has Octa-core, and GPU is Adreno 650. So this is really fast charger. As you can see out here is 65 watt two-way USB. Yeah, these are things included in a 80 box. It has a user manual, some stickers, and very attractive box. Don't forget to mention that it comes with the case as well as the screen guard. Without further ado, let's get started with the phone. Yeah, it has OxygenOS. Out of the box, you will get an update of 389 MB. So it comes with Android 11, OxygenOS 11. Let's do some test. So today we are going to focus on a display test. So yeah, you can see it supports 120 Hz FPS. So as you can see, I'm running a 115 119 FPS right now in the frame. Yes, this iPhone 11 I'm shooting right now, which won't capture 120 FPS. It's only captured as 30 FPS right now at 4K. So that's why you're not able to see a notable difference. But yes, it's really fluidic experience. Let's do a big benchmark test. And as you can see out here, it's has 8 GB RAM and multi-core processor with as there are some specs out here related to temperature and sensors. So as you can see, there are a lot of sensors out here: gyroscope, baroscope, and few more. Pedometer, device motion sensor, pocket backup. Yeah, it's loaded with a lot of features. So let's perform some Geekbench benchmark. So I'm going to do a benchmark test on CPU right now. It's running. Let's wait for the result. Yeah, it's A91 single core. So in order to benchmark, it's ranked 6th in a place. So it has a score of 63,877. So compared with the 80 Pro, yes, it's less powerful, but yeah, it's good enough for a daily driver. So we are going to perform some camera features out here. So as mentioned over here, it has a 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel secondary ultra wide, and 5 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth camera. So also it comes with a dual LED flash HDR panorama and video capable of 4K 60 fps and 1080 at 240 fps. Also it comes with a Auto-HDR gyro-EIS electronic stability. Yes, and it has a selfie 1080 30 fps camera, f2.4 wide and 16 megapixel auto HDR capable. So we are going to do a zoom test out here. As you can see, is a I'm showing a front camera out here. So yeah, I didn't like much front camera. Yeah, let's do some sound test. This is the original sound. It's come from down firing speakers as well as the front firing speaker, so there is no blockage out here. Sound quality is pretty decent, really good. I like it.
Chill by Sakura HC.
So this is a full sound experience.
Be the one, feet and 8, 5 and ready.
Yeah, overall sound experience is really good. So let's do some fluidic experience. So yeah, this has a 120 Hz display. I like the display. Scrolling experience is pretty good. You will not notice this much difference over here, but yeah, in real life it's noticeable. It's really good. I played some game at 120 fps. It's like out of the world. Yeah, so you should experience by your own to understand how good it is. Overall, I like the display, battery performance, and processor performance. It's really good. So there are some cool animation out here once you wrap charge your phone. So yeah, you can see out here it's beautiful. So yeah, that's it for this video. The verdict is, yeah, this is the best phone at 42,000. I got this for 35,000. Let me know if you want to know more how did I got this one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'm going to choose a random subscriber to give away my iPhone 11. It's brand new iPhone 11. Ship it to you. So don't wait. Subscribe my channel and do let me know in comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.